Hi everybody, it's Lee from Caravan and Motorhome Sales. This is today's dealer walk around video for the 2018 Bilbos Nexa, based on the Volkswagen engine, 2 litre, 147 brake horsepower, and has covered 18,000 miles. It's had 3 services, the last one 2022. As you can see, it comes with the pop top on the roof there, which has a solar panel on the top of it. You have got an awning as well, and a digital aerial. You've also got the Volkswagen alloy wheels, which are all in really good condition. Just want to point out a little bit of a mark there on the wheel arch, and a slight scuff here on the near side door mirror. A bit of a mark there on the end of the awning. Just want to point these out to you, make it be as transparent as possible. There's a little mark just here on the plastic. And just noticed a tiny stone chip just there on the bonnet. But the rest of the bodywork is in good condition. The front windscreen is free of any stone chips or marks. You have got a front radar system just there at the front of the vehicle. All the windows are scratch free. The lovely blue goes well with the white. As I mentioned, your solar on the roof there. And at the rear you have got parking sensors. We just noticed there's just a couple of dinks just there on the white paintwork. Just give you a rear look there. Pop top is in good condition, there's no rips or marks at all. So let's take a look inside. Right then, so we'll start at the front of the cab, work our way to the rear. So this is a 2-berth 4-belt, 6-speed manual gearbox on a petrol engine. You have got your cab aircon, Bluetooth and DAB radio, cruise control, electric windows, electric mirrors, and also you have got cab curtains as well, which wrap around the front of the cab. The 2 pilot seats are in good condition. It's going to spin round. I'm standing full height now in this pop top. I do like how it's a side pop top, so you can walk to the front and the rear with ease. Get your 2 forward facing seats, which both have seat belts, making up the 4-belt, all in good condition. There is a table also, which I will come to shortly. It has been converted really well, in my opinion. My Bilbos, you've got your 3-ring burner and sink there, plenty of storage, an oven grill as well, and on this side a storage area there, your fuse box and your digital aerial, which I was talking about, and a fridge at the rear, control panel just above, and I'll do my best to squeeze down here. Just at the bottom there you have got the portaloo as well, toilet, which is always handy on them long journeys. And a table, excuse me, right at the rear, just here, all in good condition, which again pops up at the front, give you a nice little dining area. As mentioned, the pop top roof is in very good condition. There's no rips or tears anywhere. It has been kept really well. So thanks for listening. This is the 2018 Bilbos Nexa. My name's Lee, and we'll speak again soon.